It's family weekend on campus as thousands of U of A fans have gathered in Tucson to celebrate with their sons and daughters and watch the centerpiece of the festivities, a Pac-12 football game between the Wildcats and the UCLA Bruins.
A lot at stake for both UCLA and Arizona tonight, and a telling stat for this matchup tonight will be how does UCLA's defense corral the running game of the Wildcats?
All the defenders for the UCLA Bruins are trying to figure out how do they improve against the run, how do they slow down one of the top ground attacks in all of college football.
Welcome to our view of Arizona Stadium, where in 1 hour the seats will be filled with hopeful fans as the Cats host their nemesis from Los Angeles. Both teams begin play tonight with identical records of 3-2 on the season, 1-1 in the conference, but recent history belongs to the Baby Bears. Will that change tonight? We'll find out together as Zona and SoCal do battle here in the old Pueblo. Wilson to the right of Tate. Tate fakes right, now he'll keep it to the left, slips through, inside the 40, down to the 35, sheds a block to the 30, far sideline, 15, 10, 5, touchdown Arizona.
And the Cats strike just over a minute into the game.
Back at it again, Khalil Tate.
Deep shot from Tate, and a tremendous pass and catch. Sean Brown for the Wildcats. Goes into the line, dragging tacklers with them. 29th career rushing touchdown for Nick Wilson.
Blitz, Rosen play fake. Time, throws, man open in the end zone, intercepted, picked off by Chase Whitaker. He's going to bring it out, picks up a block 10, out to the 15, far side 20, 25, and finally out of bounds. Back to throw, sets up, has time, throws far side, it's picked off, Arizona with the football, 30, 25, down to the 20, 15, 10, 5, touchdown, Arizona. Chase Whitaker is second, and he goes for 6.
They tried him again, and they got beat again by Chase Whitaker.
And here's a keeper, and there's Tate to the 40. Tate out of the 50, still loose down the near sideline, jumps over a man, the 40, and a first down to the Bruin 35-yard line.
And a touchdown to Trevor Wood. Second touchdown pass for Khalil Tate on the season.
Wilson around left-hand side, splits at 40, he may be gone, down to the 30, to the 20, to the 15, cuts it back, and tackle just shy of the 25, back to throw. Here comes the rush, the Cats have got him in the backfield, he can't get away and sacked.
And you know who it is, it's Kylan Wilborn.
Down the field, and it is caught, down inside the 10-yard line.
Tony Ellison is becoming a big play guy for Arizona.
Yeah, Nick Wilson bowls his way into the end zone, touchdown Arizona.
Spectacular drive by Arizona. Starts with
Tate dancing behind the line, turns it upfield. What a run! Khalil Tate all the way, touchdown Arizona! Wow, what a play by Tate! 71 yards and a second rushing touchdown tonight. He's fast. And UCLA thought they had him pinned back behind the line.
They did! He's got more gears than anyone on UCLA can handle.
We'll take the snap, take the handoff. They're going to sack him back at the 45.
Oh my goodness.
Rosen under pressure. Rosen wrapped up, third sack, Kylan Wilborn. Second down. Rosen intercepted. Dane Cruikshank steps in front.
The Wildcats will win the game. They put this one away. Fans letting them know. And that is it. And the Wildcats beat the Bruins tonight. 47-30 the final. And a good night to celebrate.
Great job competing, all of you. I'm proud of you. Now we got to stay humble, stay hungry. You ever understand that? Yeah. I want you to enjoy tonight. Not too much. Yeah. Leave the mics up, baby. Let's go. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3.